Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change password on Pinterest. First of all, open your Pinterest tab. Make sure to log in. Now tap on profile icon located on bottom right corner. Now go to the profile on top left corner, tap on it. It will navigate you to this interface. Now tap on account management. Here tap on password. And now enter your current password, enter your new password, and again enter your new password to confirm. Now once you are done, tap on done button that is located on top right corner. So your password has been successfully updated. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on the next video.